Hello everyone. Now this year exam is completed. Now IPS calendar is out and so many exam and coming soon this year. Those who are waiting SBI clerk and SBI PO, these exam are definitely come. And those are waiting IPS calendar exams. Also IPS calendar declare you have to know the dates of these exams. Then why you are waiting? Those are notifications. If you know the preparation is high, if your preparation is high, then your selection is definitely 100%. Then if your preparation is low, you have to know the competition is very high. Those who are waiting SBI clerk and SBI PO notification to know that these 2020 exam SBI clerk and SBI PO pre cutoffs is very high. You have to know about it. And SBI clerk also exam very hard related to that 2019. 2020 SBI clerk main exam is very hard. Why? Because all of sections are so many questions related of these topics is very tough. Then why you are waiting at this time of SBI clerk SBL PO? You have to prepare all of this section clearly at all of that. Then clearly of that you have to know SBI clerk definitely March to April notification out, and SBI PO late of this RRB PO if come, then SBI PO is definitely come. Then you have to wait of this notification if there is your mistake. Why? If your preparation is already complete, then don't wait also these notification, right? If you and daily practice main sections of your exam. If you are daily practice your main section of your exam, then pre also clear, because pre is very less section of the main related. If you know about it, those are already given these exams. If you don't know about it, then you have to, if you are fresher, then you have to practice mainly concept and main exams. Pre also, but the main is topmost of this section, right? Now you have to prepare all the sections in your choice of timetables of you have. If you have to uh, uh, prepare this 10 timetable related of your own way and self way, then it's good. My opinion is so many exams coming in this year. One CET is coming, then you have to prepare hardly in my opinion. Good luck.